Let's be honest, how many times have you found yourself deep in the drone rabbit hole, wondering if you really need the ultra-premium model or if the mid-tier one is actually good enough? Enter DJI's latest dilemma, the Mavic 4 Pro versus the Air 3S. Both look amazing, both fly like champs, but which one fits your aerial ambitions and budget? Today, we're cutting through the hype to help you decide if the Mavic 4 Pro is worth the extra cash, or if the Air 3S is the smart pick hiding in plain sight. Let's just get this out of the way first, because for many, this is the make or break. The DJI Air 3S comes in at around $1,099 USD. It's not exactly pocket change, but it feels like a genuinely fair price for the capabilities it offers. It's the mid-range hero, the drone that says you can have professional level results without completely emptying your savings. Then there's the Mavic 4 Pro. This beast is priced around $3,099 Australian dollars, which when converted means you're looking at close to double the cost of the Air 3S in most markets. This isn't just a purchase, it's an investment. You're buying into the absolute cutting edge. So right off the bat, if your budget is whispering sweet nothings about staying under the four-figure mark, the Air 3S is already making a very strong case. These drones don't just differ in price, and they have distinct personalities. The Mavic 4 Pro is the heavyweight, tipping over a kilo and taking up serious gear space. The Air 3S is lighter at 724 grams and way more travel-friendly. Perfect for hikes, spontaneous shoots, or tossing in a small backpack. Both are over 250 grams, so you'll need to register either way. Bonus: the Mavic powers on automatically when unfolded. A small touch that feels big during a shoot. The Air 3S still needs that button press. This is where the true creative magic happens, and where your choice dictates your aerial artistic capabilities. The Air 3S comes loaded with a highly capable dual camera setup. You get a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens with a 1-inch sensor, fantastic for crisp landscapes, and a 48-megapixel medium telephoto for tighter shots. It captures sharp 4K video at 120 frames per second and boasts a 14-stop dynamic range. For most creators, this is more than capable of delivering stunning, professional-looking footage. But the Mavic 4 Pro, it takes things to another dimension. You get not 2, but 3 cameras. Leading the charge is a massive 100-megapixel 4/3-inch Hasselblad wide-angle sensor. That's significantly larger than the Air 3S's 1-inch sensor, translating to even better low-light performance, richer colors, and a more cinematic depth of field. You also get a 48-megapixel medium telephoto and a powerful 50-megapixel 168mm telephoto lens for incredible reach. This is a truly professional setup, capable of 6K video, 10-bit color, and raw footage. Plus, that bigger wide-angle sensor includes a variable aperture, giving you precise control over exposure in changing light. If you need details that pop and colors that sing, the Mavic is your powerhouse. Let's talk gimbals. The Mavic 4 Pro debuts DJI's new Infinity Gimbal, offering full 360-degree rotation, dramatic plus or minus 450-degree roll, and 70-degree upward tilt, unlocking next-level creative shots with no cropping. The Air 3S can shoot vertical, but it's digitally cropped, so less flexible. Despite being heavier, the Mavic 4 Pro also wins on battery. 51 minutes flight versus 45 minutes on the Air 3S, plus faster 240-watt charging. More flight, less waiting. A big deal when chasing golden hour. Both drones are packed with smart safety tech, omnidirectional obstacle sensing (LIDAR), and infrared for collision avoidance. The Mavic 4 Pro goes further, with 0.1 lux nightscape vision for low-light detection and an upgraded Active Track 360 that keeps tracking even when your subject disappears behind obstacles. It just feels a bit smarter when things get tricky. Storage-wise, the Mavic 4 Pro offers 64GB to 512GB Creator Combo, while the Air 3S has 42GB. Both support fast transfers via DJI Quick Transfer. Controller options include the DJI RC2 and the high-end RC Pro 2, which features a 7-inch mini LED display, auto power on, built-in mic, and vertical sync. Perfect for pros. Prefer something lighter? The Air 3S also works with the simpler RC N3. So, DJI has given us two incredible drones, each a champion in its own right. One designed to push boundaries and redefine aerial cinematography, and another that continues to deliver excellent, near pro-level performance in a more compact and accessible package. The Mavic 4 Pro is for the discerning professional, the uncompromising filmmaker, the creator who wants the absolute best, who sees the drone as a primary cinematic tool. You're investing in no compromises, from the Hasselblad sensor to the Infinity gimbal. The Air 3S is perfect for savvy enthusiasts, aspiring filmmakers, or pros who value portability and performance without breaking the bank. It offers excellent image quality, smart features, and great flight performance. In the end, it's all about what matters more: cutting-edge features or better value. So, which pilot are you? The no-compromise Mavic 4 Pro Flyer or the smart value Air 3S fan? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.